So when we bought Digy4 on board, we had very clear goal in mind. The very first and foremost goal was to migrate our automated test to quantum framework. That is to give more regression coverage for the test and give faster feedback to the developers. That will ensure that we are catching issues early in the cycle, and also we are releasing on time. The second goal that we had, which was also very important, is the cost optimization part. So in the current project, we were running tests in 2 different pipelines, and we were having 2 different platforms to run the test. So with the help of Digy4, we centralized the test running on 1 pipeline, and also we centralized the platform. So we have 1 pipeline today, and we have 1 platform where we run all the mobile automation tests. That really reduces our infrastructure overhead and streamline the process for us. So there's a lot of challenges in delivering such projects. It's not a simple one. It's a tricky one in terms of like the stability of the test. That is the biggest challenge that we have faced. So most of the time the test is not stable, the result is not very reliable, or whether it is because of network issue, environment issue, data issue, or timing issue, but we have really struggled on that front. Also the test maintenance part, right? So when we are doing such project, the feature development is not pausing at that point. So both the project and feature development is going in parallel. So making sure that you are doing such big changes, and you're also catching up on new automation given you have new feature being built, that was a really challenging part. So what excites me to work with Digy4 is their commitment, I would say. They have been very committed to the work that they were doing. They were flexible at times when we had to pivot our timelines idea. So they were very flexible in adopting to that. So I think that's the thing that excites me. So we have a very clear goal in mind when we bought Digy4, right? So the first was to migrate the test, and the second most important was the reduction of the cost. So with the help of Digy4, we were able to achieve both. So we have the test migrated to quantum framework, so we have more regression coverage right now for the team to make sure there's no escaped issues in production, as far as we have saved significant from the cost reduction point. We have streamlined our pipeline, we have reduced our infrastructure overhead cost as well. So I think AI is a huge shift. It has made testing more smarter and easier. AI can help creating test case. AI can create data for you. AI can catch the issues that a traditional testing method may miss. It has increased the accuracy in that sense, so it helps the team to deliver more faster and with more quality. So it's a game changer for sure for QA industry, but having said that, it doesn't come. It comes with its own complexity, right? It has its own challenges. For example, like integration part is a bit complex. It needs some high quality data. Also, we need to make sure that there is a human oversight, So it comes with these limitations, but if we use it in a right sense with right planning, I think it can do wonders. So if I have to describe Digy4 in 3 words, it will be committed. So I have seen Digy4 people being very committed to the work throughout the team, from the person who has been assigned to the work, to the senior people, to the leadership. So everybody is committed, available all the time. So committed is definitely a word for them. The second word I'll pick is reliable. So if I work with him, I really trust them for the work that they are doing. And the third would be flexible. So a lot of time we have to pivot based on certain situation in the project. So they have been very flexible to accommodate all the requirements.